Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use Shopify, but before we start, make sure to follow the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. To make it easy, I have divided the process into a few easy steps. Step number 1, sign up for your Shopify account. To begin, visit Shopify's website. Here, add your email address and click on the Start Free Trial button. Then, fill out the required information to create your account. Step 2. Choose a theme for your store. Shopify offers a range of free themes that you can utilize to customize the appearance of your online store. Browse through the theme store and select the one that aligns best with your brand and products. Step 3. Add your products. Once you've selected a theme, it's time to add your products to your store. Click on the Products tab and select Add Product. Fill out the necessary information such as product name, description, and prices. You can also enhance your product listings by adding images and videos. Step 4. Customize your store. Shopify provides various customization options to tailor your store's appearance to your liking. You can modify colors, fonts, layout, add your logo, brand images, and more. Step 5. Set up payment and shipping options. Shopify easily integrates with multiple payment gateways such as PayPal and Stripe to process payments from your customers. Additionally, you can establish shipping options such as flat rate shipping or real-time shipping rates to calculate shipping costs for your customers. Step 6. Launch your store. Once you've completed setting up your store, it's time to launch it. Click on the Settings tab and select Domain. Add your domain name and your store will be live and ready to receive orders. That's it. With these simple steps, you can commence selling your products online using Shopify. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.